We open now all the way along like this. Slowly open it. Here we are. We have access now to everything. We can change it, or we can leave it like this, or this one also, but we cannot change this part. This is important, but we need to change all this part inside. I'm going to change it to black color and real lamp leather, so it can work for some more years. And also we need to fully paint the outside, because it's got to lose this paint here and worn too much. And also the chain, this part's worn. This is not real leather as well, so need to change all this. It's cracked a little bit. They didn't maintain for a long time, maybe. See this. Need to change everything, paint it and make it like new one again.